Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Ranger roof lining easy guide. Start by gathering the right tools and a helper for safe lifting. Remove visors, lights, and trim pieces gently to expose fasteners. Label every screw and clip so reinstalling is painless. Support the headliner centrally as you detach clips to prevent bending. Plan a clean workspace and take photos to match positions during reassembly. Begin by removing A-pillars and surrounding trim to release headliner edges and expose fasteners. Unplug any electrical connectors for lights and sensors before pulling the panel down. Work in a steady sequence, unclipping roof clips while a helper supports the board to avoid bending. Fold the headliner inward gently and guide it through doors or tailgate. Keep all screws and connectors labeled for smooth reinstallation later. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is fantastic for reading repair manuals and marking pages while you work on your Ranger, and it fits easily in a toolbox or glove box. I find it handy for step photos and notes on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If clips break, replace them with matching aftermarket pieces to maintain fitment and safety. For sagging fabric, try adhesive sprays, or consider swapping the headliner board for a clean result. Always mark electrical connectors with tape and notes to avoid mistakes when reconnecting lights and sensors. Test all systems after reassembly and double-check that visors and trims sit flush to avoid wind noise or leaks during driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.